In conversation with Sania Mirza, who is the recipient of this year's Khel Ratna, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's highest sporting honor. Thank you so much and congratulations. India's highest sporting honor, Sania, what does it mean to you?
Oh, it's great to be recognized, and as an athlete, of course, we play for ourselves and we play for our country. But awards like these and honors like these really do help us and motivate us to even work harder. So it's the highest honor for an athlete, and I feel truly humbled to be receiving this award.
And you did take the time and the effort to come from the US Open, which starts in a couple of days, because this means a big deal.
Yeah, of course. It's like I said, it is the biggest honor as an athlete and in this country, and I feel extremely honored and privileged to be getting this award. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Padma Shri that I got a few years ago because it's always during this time and US Open. So I just happened to not play this week. So I was lucky enough to come back. I have a flight tomorrow night as soon as the ceremony is done.
Okay. And you've had a fantastic season. Slams, the world #1 ranking. What's the target? And going into the US Open, what are your thoughts?
Well, it's the last few tournaments of the year, really. I mean, we have just US Open and then 3 more in China and then Singapore. So we have literally 5 tournaments left to play. And sure, I had 2 goals this year. One was to get to #1 and win a slam, and I've been able to achieve both. And every time me and Martina step on the court, we're expected to win now, obviously being the #1 team in the world as well. So we're just going to try and of course try and win the slam. I mean, we are in with a shot in every slam. So hopefully we can continue our form. We've been playing really well. The hard courts are good, and we've even though it's been a long year, we played a lot of matches. But we're looking forward to US Open and hopefully winning. But besides that, it would be great to, I think, personally for me to defend my championships at the end of the year, having won that last year.
Quick word on what the experience of the dress rehearsal at Rashtrapati Bhavan was like.
No, it was it's an experience. It's really nice, and it's amazing because everyone over there is an achiever in their own right, and they've all performed and played for their country, for India, and they've been playing so well, and they've been recognized, and you see a sense of pride that everyone has, and it's exciting, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow.